Hi, you're here with Artistry by Christal. It's been a really long time since I've done a video. We're talking 4 years since I've had my baby. Now she's actually 4 years old and she can self-entertain and starting school soon, so I can have fun playing makeup again. As you know, I have my own cosmetic line, Christal Clear Cosmetics, and I use about 5 different manufacturers, and I pick and choose all the best ingredients that are photo-friendly, gentle, and great for sensitive skin, and basically affordable. However, I do like to dabble and play in some other cosmetics and different makeup lines. My husband recently spoiled me and he got me a ColourPop fun makeup set. So inside you're gonna see Anna, like that, and then inside, let's take out, we have 4 products. All right, let's get started. I have my foundation already on. I use Christal. So here's my powder foundation. Just my concealer. My concealer is an oilless pump, so you just pump a little bit on your finger, put it around your eyes, and there's your powder foundation. And that's all I did. Oh, and I put a little bit of eyebrow pencil in my eyes too. So let's get started. We're gonna go ahead and use one of my Crystal Clear brushes that come in my kit. This is a flat brush. I take a little bit of this white one. And I love this because this has a mirror, so I can actually use the mirror. And we're gonna just put a little underneath the brow. Oh, that's magical. And what this will do is highlight underneath the brow bone. I always like to keep a brush on hand to brush away excess powder. The next thing we're gonna do is we want a blending brush. So here's my blending brush. You can see that it's kind of round. So we're gonna go ahead and go into the crease and we're gonna do kind of like rainbow, but you don't wanna go too far inwards with your color or else you can look cross-eyed. I wanna do this blending color. This is so pretty, okay? And then we're gonna go right into the crease. I always like to start right on the outer, and you can wiggle just a little bit just to get some of the product off. That's a little trick I do. And then you're gonna go ahead and start moving it into the crease shape. So what I'm doing is windshield wipers. Windshield wipers. Once you get your color in there, all the product is off the brush almost. Then you wanna start actually pushing up into the brow bone because we put the eyeshadow already there. It will actually blend and stop the next color because basically you have kind of a sticky base with the concealer. And since we pat on so much of the eyeshadow underneath the eyebrow, you can't really push too much color underneath the brow. So you can go ahead and blend up so it gives you more of a feathery look. Then when all the product is completely off my brush, then you can go to town and really just kind of blend it all out through that rainbow shape. Okay, so there's one. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take a deeper color, and I'm gonna actually use a little bit more of a pointier crease brush. And we're gonna use the darker purple. This one right here. And I'm just gonna go tap, tap, and then tap off your brush. You can sometimes like tap it on your mirror, you can tap it on your table, but just get some of the product off so you don't get any dust fall. So let's try to get a really pretty look that they would do. So I'm going right in the outer corner. Now, if I was far set eyes, I'd actually start on the inner corner to bring my eyes closer together, but my eyes are pretty symmetric, so I'm going to keep everything in the center and symmetric. So I like to start on the outer just to get most of the product off, and then I'm going to go ahead and push it deep into the crease. And because I'm using more of a tipped brush, it's getting it right into the crease because I only dipped my brush in the product with the tip. So there's that. Then what I like to do is go back with my blending color. I'm going to take my blending brush again. This is the one that we used in the crease. And I'm going to take my blending color again. And I'm going to go right back over my deeper color and just make sure that it's all blended. Okay, awesome. So now the question is what color do we want to use on the eyelid? I always do the eyelid last because you really want to get that almond shape to really pop the eyes. So either you can use like a softer gold if you want to go, not too bold, not disco eyes, or we could do a really smoky look and do like a dark brown. There's so many options that you have with this eyeshadow palette, but I have to use this gold. I just have to. So to be safe, I don't want to go too crazy. So let's start off with the regular gold. And then I'm going to just take a little bit because I just want to see how this looks. So I'm going to put a little on it. So this color does pop. Shopping for Christal Clear, what I'm looking for is something that I can use with a softer brush and not have to use so much product. So if the color goes on really dense, then it's going to last longer. So you don't have to use so much product. So if I wanted to make this look a little softer, I probably could have used a fluffier brush and dusted it over. But so now I'm going to use this really fun glitter. This is really neat. So this is the tricky part. Glitter could fall all over the face. You don't want glitter to fall over the face. So and I want to take a little bit of this brown right here, but I want a little bit smokier an eye. I'm scared to like go too glittery all over. Kind of want to give it just like kind of a sheen down the eye, the center of the eye. So I'm going to use a little bit of brown here, and I'm going to tap that over to soften my look. And I'm going to grab the regular gold, back over all of this really quick just to kind of even it out so it doesn't look choppy. I don't want to see any lines anywhere. And then I'm going to take that really bright glitter, the glitter one more time, and I'm going to tap it right in the center of the eye one more time. And go just a little bit over the brow. And I feel like this gives it just a softer look. I'm going to take my crease brush and I'm going to brush a little of the glitter away out of the crease. This stuff is really actually sticky. I'm really, it's not like sticky like a gel, but it's just dense. So this, I don't think this glitter is going to go anywhere. I think that's really soft and pretty. Let's wrap the eye with some eyeshadows. So sometimes people just go in with eyeliner right away. I find like a smoky look is to use eyeshadow underneath the eye, and then you can do your eyeliner, or vice versa, you could do your eyeliner and then the eyeshadow. This is kind of like a smudger brush is what they call it. It's really firm. Let's do this really pretty purple right here. Let's take a lighter purple, use this as a highlighter on the inside of the eye. I'm going to take this purple and I'm going to go right underneath my eye, and I'm going to give it a smokier look, and because it's got a little shimmer, it's going to highlight the center of the eye. Then we're going to take the darker purple, we're going to go right on the outer, so it's looking like it's kind of ombreing, so it's going from light to dark. You can always take your brush that you used in the outer corner and just blend it a little. Okay. Then I would say take your blending color. Remember the crease blending color, the lighter one? Let's take just a little bit of that. And just blend the outer edge a little. Let's brush away the excess. So it looks like it's feathering. Now, Q-tips are our best friend. Obviously, makeup is not going to be perfect right when you put it on, but the key is not to keep adding and adding or blending and blending. Sometimes we just need to remove a little excess. So taking a Q-tip and just blending the outer corners, and then whatever might have dropped, try to brush away first. And now we can do eyeliner. So this is my glamour stick. Now this is my personal use, so obviously this makeup isn't going to be completely clean and completely brand new. What I love about this glamour stick is that you can twist it up, and then it does have like a little smudge on the other side. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull my eye down just a little bit, and I'm going to do a little bit of smudging inside. And then you can take your smudger that comes on the other side and smudge it out if you want, but I think it looks beautiful. And the next thing that we're going to do is some liquid eyeliner. And the trick with liquid liner is you still need to set it. So anything liquid or creamy, you must set with a powder. So I'm grabbing my powder. I'm going to use an angle brush, and I'm going to use my Christal Clear liquid eyeliner. So first we're going to take the eyeliner. Comes out just like this. It's like a little felt tip. And all you're going to do is like a stamp. You're going to stamp it close to your eyelashes. And then you can draw them. So if we want to do wing eyeliner, we can just bring it out a little bit here. Connect it like a triangle. Taking a little bit of powder, and I love just setting. Need mascara. I'm all out of mascara, so I'm going to use just this travel mascara that my friend gave me for unique. It's not bad. It's good. But my mascara, I like to go over my eyelash first to get rid of all the powder that might have dropped. Then you're going to wiggle at the base. Wiggle at the base, roll up to comb out. Wiggle at the base, roll up to comb out. Then you can go to town and add how much ever mascara you want. Alright, so we just did the color pop with one eye. I want to show you again with the other eye. This is beautiful. Now, the rest of the kit that came was this gorgeous box. And inside the box, you saw that it had the glitter. And it had a lipstick. We did the eyeshadow. And a lip gloss. Lip is really pretty, but let's go into the rest of the box and do the darker color.